Hey guys, it's Jen and I'm going to show you a winter makeup idea for beginners. This smoky gray look is inspired after snowy mountains. I mainly used Morphe 9W Smoke and Shadows. I'm placing a white eyeshadow from a different palette as base. I focus number 1, all hours, on the outer corner and eye socket, then smoke it out a bit. I use number 5, Steal Away, on the eye socket in a sweeping motion. Finally, I focus number 9, Lights Off, on the outer corner. I use my concealer to do a cut crease, patting it with a concealer brush. You need to let the concealer dry fully, so I move on to my lips while it dries. For lips, I mixed light pink and light red lip colors. For the light pink, I'm using NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Istanbul. I like the payoff from my white Annabelle Kohl eyeliner, so I put it all over my eyelid on top of a concealer. It's very bright and you can leave it like this if you want a light, delicate look. To finish, I'm using number 9, Lights Off, winging it upwards towards the ends of your eyebrow. I fill in the rest of my eye following my eyelid. For highlighter, I use the lightest shade from CoverGirl Instant Cheekbones in Peach Perfection. Starting from above the cheekbone, sweep upwards towards the top of the ear. Then I use Morphe Cool Pro Blush Palette in Driven on my cheeks, sweeping upwards, and also dot my nose with it. I warm my curler with a blow dryer and then curl my lashes, squeezing 3 times. I prime my eyes with Etude House Dr. Mascara Fixer, then I use 2 coats of L'Oreal Paris Bambi Eye Mascara in Black is Black. This was my snowy mountain makeup inspo. As a challenge to you, move your makeup out of your washroom. In the washroom, there's a risk of fecal contamination, plus the humidity from showering creates an environment where microbes can thrive. If you haven't seen my snowy mountain nail inspo, check that out too. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It'd mean a lot to me if you did. Thanks for watching.